Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the real object precisely. Use the same units for every dimension so ratios stay consistent. Once done, pick a clear scale like 1, 50 or 1/20 that fits the page. You now convert real measurements to scaled values by dividing by the scale factor. Write a table of real versus scaled numbers to avoid mistakes. Make sure to double-check at least one dimension to confirm your conversion method before drawing. With scaled numbers ready, place your paper or CAD grid and set margins that keep the whole object visible. Next, mark the first key point and plot subsequent points by measuring scaled distances. Use construction lines so errors are easy to erase. If angles matter, use a protractor or coordinate math to place points accurately. Once the main outline is plotted, check proportional relationships, parallel sides, and right angles. Finish by tracing final lines darker and adding dimension labels using the scaled units so others can read your drawing. Once done, verify accuracy by remeasuring 1 or 2 known dimensions on the drawing and comparing to your converted values. If a mismatch appears, backtrack. Check whether units were mixed, whether you divided instead of multiplied, or if rounding caused cumulative error. If needed, correct the plotted points, then re-ink. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.